What's up YouTube? Hi, myself Rohit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I bring my screen up, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor. Any risk that you take is completely on your own and you're responsible for your own money. So as we can see on my screen, I just want to keep it very transparent with you. I have liquidated all my stocks for this week because there is an earning coming up this week for the big banks. On Wednesday, we are having it for the JP Morgan and Wells Fargo. And on the Thursday, we are having it for the Citibanks and the Bank of America. And on Friday, we are having it for the Morgan Stanley. So these are the biggest bank of America and they are giving their earnings. And we are having a speculation that it might not come in the favor of the stock market. What I'm doing over here is just for the entertainment purposes. What I have done, you don't have to exactly follow the same. This is just in my opinion. I think there are very big catalysts coming in this entire week. First, we had the inflation report coming in yesterday and it was a slightly bit over than what we were expecting. It was 0.6%. We were expecting it to be 0.5%, and we are having other major catalysts coming in the stock market for this week. We have earnings for the banks, the biggest banks of America, which could be a little bit scary scenario right now. So the bank has to bring in pretty good earning report, which is going to justify the rally of the stock market. So this is a very big catalyst. It can move the stock market significantly upwards or downwards. So I'm just going to take a break for this week. I would not recommend anybody to do exactly the same as I'm doing because there are taxing conditions applied when you sell your stocks. So you have to be very careful with what you are doing. Don't take anybody's advice. Whatever I'm doing over here is just for my entertainment purposes. I'm taking a little bit of gamble. I'm taking a little bit of risk by liquidating all my stock before the earnings for the bank because I'm expecting that it might not come in the favor of the stock market. But this is just in my opinion. You don't have to follow exactly the same as I am doing. Now let's talk about a company called as Coinbase. So we are having an biggest IPO tomorrow for Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the best known cryptocurrency platform globally and has more than 56 million users who trade various virtual coins including Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP. Now just this morning, Bitcoin has hit a record of $62,741 on Tuesday, extending its 2021 rally to new heights a day before the Coinbase listing. So this thing can come in the favor of the Coinbase IPO tomorrow. But what my take is on this company is that don't have the fear of missing out, which is called as a FOMO. It is just creating a FOMO regarding a Bitcoin, which is fear of missing out. And if you are thinking of investing in Bitcoin right now, in my personal opinion, it has gone way too much up. It is extremely overvalued right now. I'm not saying I might be 100% right, but the way the chart shows, it has just completely gone way too beyond the moon. So you have to be very careful in what you are investing in right now. If you look at the stock market, S&P 500, it's exactly the same. We have gone way too much up. Now there might be a significant pullback and I'm waiting for the end of this week. If something goes bad, if something goes south, I'm going to establish my position back into the stock market, and I'm not trying to run away from it. Like I mentioned in my previous video, stick with the market. It's not going anywhere. My 50 grand is not going to make a big move in the market. But the thing over here is this, that there might be a big catalyst coming in from tomorrow onwards which might shake the market. But don't panic, just hold on to your positions. Nasdaq on Tuesday set a reference price of $250 per share for Coinbase Global, projecting a value for the largest US cryptocurrency exchange at $49.19 billion, ahead of its landmark stock market debut on Wednesday. So my personal take on Coinbase is this, that there are a lot of other stocks in the stock market. You don't have to chase out only particular ones. You know, the amount that it's asking per share is, that's what Nasdaq is telling, it's going to be $250. But if you ask me personally, would I invest myself in Coinbase? I would let it rest because initially there is a hype in this company. This stock might go up a little bit in the beginning. What I think is going to happen tomorrow morning is when this thing is going to go public, this stock is going to go up for a little while and then it's going to have an immediate sell-off on the same day itself. That's what happens in majority of the IPOs, but you never know what's going to happen. According to the current situation around the Bitcoin, everything has just gone surpassed the moon. You have to be very careful. Don't have the fear of missing out. This is a very rookie mistake. A lot of new investors make, that they have that thing in their mind that they are missing out something that they should be in. Don't fall for the trap. It is a trap right now. You have to be very careful. Now let's talk about one of our favorite stock, which is NIO. So there is a breaking news coming out of China regarding NIO, that the Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO has confirmed its long-awaited partnership with the China Petroleum and Chemical Corporation, or Sinopec, on the setting up battery swap station at Sinopec gas filling stations. So NIO has sent out a media invitation saying it will sign a strategic cooperation agreement with the oil giant Sinopec on April 15th. As per the report, NIO also said its first second generation battery swap station will go live at a Sinopec station in B. Sinopec is the largest supplier of refined oil products and petrochemicals, as well as the second largest oil and gas producers in China. The company has more than 30,000 gas stations, ranking it second in the world. Speculation about a link between NIO and Sinopec emerged in February. This news matters a lot to the NIO stock. NIO is relying on service offering to make an impact on customers in China. The company has pioneered the concept of battery as a service that would allow users to rent a battery instead of purchasing one, helping to trim the cost of EV owners. Battery swapping also provides the advantage of saving time as opposed to charging. So if you're thinking of investing yourself in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. And before you go, please click the like and subscribe button in order to help out the channel. Till then, stay invested and stay positive.